Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to activate voice chat on Roblox. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate voice chat on Roblox, then follow the steps. Simply open up your Roblox application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged into your account. The first thing to do before you can activate your voice chat on Roblox is to verify your age. So simply go and tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom right-hand corner, and from the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Select the Account Info option, and from the Account Info page, right where you can see your date of birth, tap on Verify My Age. In order to verify your age, you must upload a driver's license photo, a passport or ID card, or you can also upload a copy of your residence permit. Tap on Start Session and start your verification by tapping on Start Session one more time. But before you start, make sure you have a valid government-issued identity document. Make sure that you are in a well-lit room since you'll need to scan the document, and also be prepared to take a selfie and photo of your ID. Tap on the Start Session button one more time and allow Roblox.com to access your camera by tapping Allow. Once you see this interface, simply scan your document, take a photo of the documents page, and soon after you do that, also make sure to take a selfie of yourself. And once your verification data have been submitted, you'll be able to see this interface. Your age has been now verified. Click on the Close button and tap on the Save button from this page by scrolling all the way down. Once you save your information, you can now go back, and once you've verified your age, select the Privacy option from the Settings menu. You'll be able to see an option under Beta Features that says Enable Voice Chat. Soon after you are done verifying your age, enable the button right next to Enable Voice Chat and tap on Enable in the pop-up, and that way you can easily enable voice chat on Roblox. The toggle will turn from gray to green, indicating that your voice chat has been enabled for your account. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.